Hey guys, the Gold Church here, and today we have a special video, probably just another normal video. This is part 1, I believe, but we have, hold on, let me grab this table, because this can be useful. We have a Hawaiian rainforest, and it's like our own rainforest thing. There's seeds in it, so it's like a terrarium kind of, but it's open. You have to water it. It's really cool. It has 3 different types of flowers, as you can see, or whatever. They have the blue lily, the rainbow plant, and the umbrella tree. So, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this. So we have like rocks, so like little decorations. Another one, that one's open, that's not good. Let's see. And it looks like, what is this? So this is the stuff, like I guess what it's gonna grow on, where the roots will grow in. Like the nutrients and stuff. And here are the seeds for that. Instead of the boxes are blocking my beautiful face. The umbrella tree and the growing and care instructions. The rainbow plant. Let's see what else we have. Bye. And here is what it will be in. Or that'd be like a cool aquarium too. If like they made this as like an aquarium, that'd be cool. But it looks like that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, so sorry. My dog's just looking at this stuff I threw very weirdly. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna read these instructions and get back, because I don't want to, read it on camera. So if you give me a minute real quick to read these, that would be nice. Okay, I got everything I needed, because it didn't come with it, which is sad. But the directions say to carefully, okay, I already did that. Place your Germany. So we have to place these in a spot. Is what it says. Beautiful, beautiful. This is different instructions than on here. So I'll be right back. Once again. Okay, I'm following which instructions sound better, and that's these. Because those instructions told me to put these in there, and I can't do that. So I'm gonna follow the other instructions, which say to put them in here. With 3 cups of water. So I'm just gonna put what I think is 3 cups in there. Hopefully that works. Okay, I put in 3 cups of water. So I'm just gonna put that there. Then it says after this it absorbs. So now I have to wait for them to absorb the water. So guess I'll be back in 10 to 20 minutes. Oh, this is not easy, is it? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so the water is in here, and it's ready to be done, whatever needs to be done. So, after this, Now we take, put that there, keep that there, and put this. Now what we're gonna do is put it all into the bubbly things. So, just a little more, I think. To make sure it's airtight. That way no air can get into it. I think that's pretty good. It's supposed to be about 1.5 deep, which looks like it is. And now we gotta do the other ones. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. A little more in the back. That looks like enough. Okie dokie, put some in here. Dang it. Okie dokie. I'll be back after I'm done. This is gonna take a while, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and it's all set up. It's all measured. It's all good. It says to put gravel in, but I don't know if I want to put the gravel in. So, I mean, I don't think I have to, and I don't think I'm gonna. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna put my gravel in, yeah. We're gonna see it to do it without, because I don't know, there's not really enough room, and I don't really, want to put it in. I think it looks just fine without it. So, season and package drop spoon, roughly placed and pushed them into a minimum plastic spoon. Alright, so now I put these into there. Okay. So I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put the umbrella tree, and that one, and those, and then that one there. Okay. Yeah. So let me open this up. Oh my gosh, it comes with that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are the seeds. Wow. Okay. How do I get these out? That is the question. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna get these out of here. They're really hard. I'm gonna get all the seeds out and ready, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got them all out of the packages. It's kind of hard, took a little bit. That's okay. So I'm gonna put these ones in here. I have an idea on how to bury them. Let me just grab this over here. Let's do it very small. Push. Let me grab the spoon. Push it down after I'm done. Put it in like that, and then just cover it. Since there's a decent amount, I think I'm gonna pause it and come back when I finished all of them, and I'll just let you guys know where they are. So I'll see you guys. Okay, guys, so I just finished putting all the seeds in, and basically it says too much humidity. Put the entire term inside a sealed plastic bag with cover to small open with plastic. So now we have to, I did not know this, but we have to get plastic wrap and put it over the openings, and then after about a week or two after all of them appear, we will take it off, and I'll update you guys when that happens. But now I gotta go get plastic wrap, so then that's it. So I'm just gonna put that there, and I will be right back, guys. I'm sorry I keep getting up and down. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I did finish wrapping up. My battery died, so I'm making this and adding it to my video. But this is what it looks like. Basically, I just have plastic wrap over it. I'm just gonna sit like that for a week, and probably gonna get all human in there and whatever. And so I'll have you guys check, or I'll inform you guys when the seeds start growing. I'll show you guys that. But I'll see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment on like what you want me to do or whatever. There's Stanley. Yes, just leave a comment on what you want me to do. I do have a video on feeding all my fish and Stanley, so you can see that. It's pretty easy. You just put food in the bowl and you're done. Fish are a little more different, so I'll show you guys the fish and everything. Stanley will be a little bonus. I'll also have a video coming up with Stanley. It's a surprise. I'll let you guys know, but I'll show you guys. It should be coming up in like 2, 3, 4 days. But yeah. So basically, it's just him. About him. More information on him, because I know I didn't do a video on that, and I'll probably do some information on my 10-gallon or 55-gallon fish tank too. So stay tuned. I know my guppy died today. That's okay. Things happen. A little disappointing. But I will get something else. Like right now, the 2.5 gallon tank's empty because I put my gold algae eater in my 55 gallon fish tank. Because the only reason he was in there was he could have gone in there in the 55 gallon fish tank sooner, but I didn't want to bother the little guppy with the net, so I just after he died or whatever, I did it. I wasn't expecting him to die. I was hoping he'd get nice and big and live. He seemed healthy. He ate, he pooped. I don't know why he died, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment what you think I should do, because you know there's always ideas that I might not come up with that could be used in future videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So pizza.